OnePlus has become a well-known name in the smartphone market thanks to its flagship devices that offer a great combination of powerful hardware and software features. In the world of smartphones, OnePlus is one of the brands that offers high-quality products at a reasonable price point. The latest flagship device from OnePlus, the OnePlus 11 5G, has been released in an eternal green color variant, and in this video we will take a closer look at this device. Design and display. The OnePlus 11 5G comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that offers a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which provides excellent protection against scratches and drops. The display offers excellent viewing angles and accurate color reproduction, which makes it ideal for streaming videos, playing games, or browsing the web. In terms of design, the OnePlus 11 5G in eternal green looks stunning, with its frosted glass back panel that provides a comfortable grip and a premium look and feel. The phone has a slim profile, and the placement of the buttons and ports is well thought out. The phone is also IP68 certified, which means it is dust and water resistant and can withstand submersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Performance and battery. The OnePlus 11 5G is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which is paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is a powerful processor that delivers excellent performance and energy efficiency. The phone can handle multiple apps, games, and tasks with ease and can run even the most demanding games at the highest settings. In terms of battery life, the OnePlus 11 5G comes with a 4,500 mAh battery that supports fast charging of up to 65 W. The phone can be charged from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes, which is incredibly fast. The phone also supports wireless charging of up to 50 W, which is one of the fastest wireless charging technologies available on a smartphone. Camera. The OnePlus 11 5G comes with a triple camera setup that includes a 108MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 8MP telephoto sensor. The camera setup is capable of capturing excellent photos and videos in various lighting conditions. The primary camera has OIS and EIS, which helps in stabilizing the footage while recording videos. The camera app on the OnePlus 11 5G is feature-packed and offers a lot of customization options. There are various modes such as night mode, pro mode, portrait mode, and more, which allow you to capture the perfect shot in any lighting condition. The front-facing camera on the phone is a 16MP sensor that is perfect for taking selfies and making video calls. Software and features. The OnePlus 11 5G runs on Oxygen OS 12, which is based on Android 12. Oxygen OS is known for its clean and fast user interface, and it offers a lot of customization options. The software is optimized for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which makes it incredibly fast and fluid. The phone also comes with various features such as Zen mode, which helps you disconnect from your phone and focus on your work, and the always-on display, which shows you important information even when the phone is locked. The phone also comes with 5G connectivity, which means you can take advantage of the latest 5G networks and enjoy faster download and upload speeds. The phone also comes with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2,